Hi Umair. How are you? Hi Edmund. I am fine, and what about you? I am doing good. I would like to speak to you over laboratory setup. Our laboratory designing involves the planning and layout of laboratory spaces and equipment to ensure efficient and safe operations. This includes determining the size and layout of the lab, selecting and arranging equipment, and incorporating safety features such as fume hoods and emergency showers. It also involves considering factors such as ventilation, lighting, power, and data communication infrastructure. Our designers often work with architects, engineers, and laboratory equipment vendors to ensure that the lab meets the specific needs of the users and complies with relevant safety regulations. Umair, what about laboratory furniture? We offer a wide range of lab furniture, including laboratory workstations, laboratory benches, laboratory stools, laboratory chairs, laboratory shelving, and laboratory cabinets. All of our furniture is made from high-quality materials and is built to meet the specific needs of the laboratory. Amazing piece of work you guys are doing. Please tell me about laboratory equipment's use, supply, maintenance. Explain validation and calibration as well. When it comes to laboratory equipment, we deal on designing the quality control laboratories, supply of all types of analytical equipment like HPLC, FTIR, spectrophotometers, balances, and other analytical equipment used in pharmaceutical quality control laboratories and research institutes. Their installations, training, complete backup support, and maintenance is also provided to the customers. For laboratory equipment maintenance, have professional team. We offer after-sales service and backup support. Our qualified engineers are always ready to give technical support to our valued customers to keep their process running smoothly. Lastly, laboratory equipment's calibration and validation are performed by the master calibrators of high quality and calibrated and certified from an international accredited laboratory, which is traceable to international standards, NIST. We have the ambition to give services with high quality and minimum time. Adnan, please tell me about your company AREMCO LLC. Our company, AREMCO, a turnkey fit-out contractor based in UAE since 2004. We are dealing in commercial and residential projects. We have delivered projects in renowned shopping centers and critical projects such but not limited to that is Dubai Mall, Abu Dhabi Mall, Souk Al Jami, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, Nation Towers, Bawabat Al Sharq Mall, Fujairah Mall, Al Ain Mall, Yas Mall, Mirdif City Center, St. Regis Hotel, Royal Meridian, Adnan Hotels, etc., just to name a few. Our team has a tendency to meet challenging mall and authority requirements without compromising targeting deadlines. We have an independent joinery workshop to meet high demands. We have the following in-house abilities to deliver design and build projects: architectural and MEP design team, civil and architectural team, fabrication facility for custom-made furniture, joinery, MEP, signage, mechanical, electrical, IT and plumbing team, general maintenance AMC. Umair, thanks a lot for your time. Very soon we will be working together as business partners. So for now I will take a leave, and superb work you guys are doing. Anytime, Adnan, and it was my long-time wish to work with your company. I hope our partnership will open new doors for development in industrial zone. Take care. Goodbye. Goodbye.